Namaskar. I welcome all of you to this innovative talk show, Enriching Life. Very innovative, enriching life. We all are interested to enrich our life. There is none who is not interested to lead a very cheerful life, very peaceful life, and after all, very effective life. And in this episode, our theme is power of silence. Power of silence. Time was there when people loved to be silent. So, they were spending hours together in meditation, hours together in yoga, meditation. What is meditations? Remaining silent, closing eyes, talking to self, and what a peaceful life. And after that, people started thinking, realizing, and could feel the power of silence. The power of silence. I know there are so many people, they love talking. They love talking. They talk too much. Talk, no end. As you know, whenever in any meeting, any podium, any stage, any seminar, when somebody gets a microphone, even if he is given 10 minutes, he speaks 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But who listens? Who understands? People get fed up. And people, they are not interested to listen garbage. But the person who speaks, he is not aware that he is speaking garbage. And another thing is very interesting things. In trust, there is a saying that silence is most powerful because silence speaks a lot. Suppose somebody asks me a question and I remain silent. How many type of meaning it conveys? How many type of message conveys? It may be, I am not interested to reply. It may be, I don't know the answer. It may be, I am allergic to that person's. I know the answer, but I am not interested to give the answers. Or I am appreciating that question. I realize the worth of that question. So, I am now analyzing, exploring, doing the study, what answer I will give. So, silence reflects so many messages. Silence speaks a lot. And another thing, whenever there is an argument, wise people prefer to be silent because they know in argument, discussion is fine, but not in argument. In argument, negative people, they start claiming or finding who is right, I am right or you are right. But wise people start finding what is right, what is wrong, not who is right, who is wrong. So in that position, when the discussion is converted to argument, wise people prefer to be silent. Give a smile and remain silent. Silence. And silence solves many problems. And that is saying, in trust, silence is well understood, not misunderstood. But when there is no trust, you may speak anything. You may express emotionally, intellectually, but nobody is going to understand you well. Rather, they will misunderstand you. And there is a difference. Whether you do not understand or you misunderstand. If you do not understand, you can ask. But if you misunderstand, or if somebody misunderstands you, he remains silent. Because he knows that you are not a good person. He knows that he cannot convince you. He knows that he cannot change you. So he prefers to remain silent. Then he will be away from you. So his silence is very harmful. His silence is breakage of relations. So silence has so many meanings. You cannot take silence as granted. If somebody, you ask a question, is silent, don't take him as granted that he doesn't know or he is a foolish person. No. So the power of silence, and the most important thing now in this high-tech world, in this where people are fighting for their existence, then everybody has giving focus, importance to meditations. Meditation is silence. Love silence. Remain silent. Make a habit of being silent. Keep silent. Close your eyes. Sit alone. Go to a lonely place when there is no disturbance. Close your eyes. Talk to self. Do the meditations. Meditation, yoga means getting connected with the self. And that is silence. The more you remain silent, the more you feel cool, the more you feel matured, the more you feel composed, the more you feel stable. Silence means you are stable. Silence means your mind is cool, mind is focused, mind is organized. So these people, wise people, innovative people, artist people, before they start any creative work, they prefer to be silent. They prefer to be silent. Silent. They love silence. Go to a lonely place, far away from the crowd, remain silent. Mind is focused. They go on thinking, what next, what next, what next, what next. And silence makes us powerful. And silence is lovely. And silence is positive. And silence is cool, stable, and pollution free. So let's love to be silent. So better to be silent than to argue. Better to be silent than to speak garbage. Garbage, nobody prefer to listen to you. Better to be silent and think over what next. Think over what next. So this is power of silence. It is better now I remain silent. Before I remain silent, let me again request you, if you feel this is adding value to you, this is of some use in your life, in enriching your life, because this program is enriching life. Please subscribe, please share and spread it so that we also help others to enrich their life. So let me remain here, let me remain silent. It is power of silence. See you next time. Namaskar.